More coffee. Thank you. What is it, rye? Nice. We were talking about your chocolate cake the other day, trying to figure out how you make your chocolate icing. We don't know.
No, nor do I really. It's just
Merci bien.
Really? Do you use butter?
Do you think
that
you...
whole bit now?
No.
It's only
Just
to
margarine.
Okay.
yes, margarine, flour, sugar,
I'm
chocolate
going to wait
powder,
for mine till after
What
dinner.
about the icing?
You sure?
icing and chocolate powder,
It's chocolate
and
powder.
I would be
margarine in
hungry for
that.
dinner if I
Is Riley's cake all gone yet?
It's only a Victoria sandwich.
Right. Because
You
it
know what
seems
we
so
didn't-
much.
Wait. We didn't sing Happy Birthday to
It's not as
Lucas.
creamy as my chocolate icing.
Did we sing
has
it? We
more
didn't sing Happy
substance to
Birthday.
it somehow.
Oh my!
We didn't sing Happy
A
Birthday to
mixture
Lucas.
of margarine.
We didn't sing
icing
anything when you
sugar,
brought the
and a
cake
bit
in.
of water to mix it together.
Sang Happy Birthday
vanilla.
to you.
Yeah.
No,
When did we sing
chocolate.
that for Lucas?
Just
I
chocolate.
brought the cake in.
Did we?
Try
Yeah.
that.
Did I miss
haven't
it?
made one since your birthday, in
Oh, I
fact, your
guess.
30th.
Oh,
made
you
it that
better
night.
not lose practice.
Well,
You could
Neil's
call us all up when you're going to do one.
Neil's birthday
And we'll
was
come
Saturday
watch.
this year,
Is it?
so Mary will be coming over in the morning
Yeah.
to make cake with me and show me how it's done.
Oh, there
Whose
you go.
birthday are we talking about?
Mine.
Neil's.
Oh, Neil's.
Yeah.
Cheers,
How
Ronnie.
is it?
Cheers.
Yeah.
Ronnie, cheers. Ronnie.
It's nice.
Cheers.
That, I like that marble swirl. It's fun.
Yeah, very nice.
Cheers. Cheers.
I should probably take that away before they start asking for more.
You're not having any?
I'm going to have some later.
Oh.
There you go.
Yes, I am.
Come on.
Come on, you have to knock your fork with Ronnie.
Thank you.
Who's got the best piece of cake?